Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve keeps closing on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps closing on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to Facebook and you can click. After that, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.